What is up, guys? Ninja Craft here, and well, today I'm gonna be practicing for my a competition. It's in like 4-5 weeks, so it's in quite a while, but I'm still practicing. I still have my Moyu Along. It's still pretty nice. I'm gonna buy some lube for it. Comment down below what lube you guys use, and comment down below I'm gonna buy a 2x2. So comment down below what 2x2 you use for competitions. And finally, I might buy a Scube because my Scube, wait a second. So I'm back, and well, you see here, my Scube is sort of in a little broken. Anyway, it's not that important, except for the pieces fell out the screw. Not too important. Just kidding. I'll probably need to buy a new one because competition I'm going to, I'll practice for Pyraminx too. So 2x2, Scube, 3x3, and Pyraminx. I'll be uploading videos. Don't you worry. I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded recently, but you'll see some more uploads today. No, not today. Well, actually, yeah, today. So, yeah, today. And I'm going to hit for 10 views today. 10 views for this week. Yeah, that's my goal. Oh yeah. Doesn't seem that much, but that's good, you know. And anyways, and so let's inspect this cube. Oh, okay. This is okay, interesting. Quite interesting. Oh boy, I even need a okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Just finishing up my, okay, I'm almost done, and dang it, I haven't practiced in 3x3 for like the last competition. By the way, the last competition, guess how many views that has? It has, let's see, I haven't checked recently, but the last time I checked it, it was 60 views. Please keep it up, and yeah. And please comment more, but anyways, I'll be right back. By the way, I'm getting carried off, but okay, you guys see the magical pen, right? No, this is a normal pen, right? I mean, has a tip, you can write stuff with it, but look. Oh, magic. Anyways, okay, so, it's 40 seconds and 12 seconds. No, 41 seconds and 12 milliseconds or whatever. I don't care. Let's get to the next solve. Okay, let's go. Woo, okay. So remember, 10 views, tell your friends, yeah. And by the way, last time I checked, we have 21 subscribers. How awesome is that? I don't know. Pretty awesome, you know. My friend's hitting 15. Congratulations for him. Anyway, so let's just go, because I don't know. Okay, oh gosh, didn't even solve my 2 layers yet. Okay, F2L. Yeah, this is gonna be like terrible solve. Oh my gosh, please not 50 seconds. It's not too bad. Not too bad. Just kidding. It's like the worst time ever. It's 44.45. No, 42. Sorry. But seriously, that was really bad because totally. Anyway, that was a bad time. I'll try to get better. I mean, I always get worse and worse because I haven't practiced in like, I don't know. Hope you guys enjoy my music because I don't know why you would, but okay. If I move that up, okay. But then you'd have to do that, and then everything will be complicated and everyone will die. But I'll take that risk. Okay. Okay, okay, not bad. Okay, I got 37.6, so not too bad. I mean, could do better, but look away, guys, because you will go blind. Anyway, oh, by the way, I'll show you a magic trick. My finger is glowing. It's not normal. Help! I'm gonna die. Just kidding. It was just my beautiful little thingy. Anyway, let's go. Getting really off topic here, but who in the world cares? And I'm gonna make a video on my cube shopping so everybody knows what I'm buying and all that personal stuff that people shouldn't know. And yeah, it's gonna be exposed. So yeah, I don't know. Oh boy, I sort of don't want to. You know what? I'll just make another separate video on what I'm gonna buy. But anyways, okay. It was 39.60. So, yeah. Oh, this is depressing. I mean, yeah. I mean, you can't even see the cube here. Wait, like that. You know what? I don't even care because I don't care if this video gets 2 likes. I mean, dislikes. Forget what I said. Anyways, so let's just go. Okay, that's not too bad. Oh, not bad, not bad, not bad at all. Not bad, not bad. I'm doing not bad. Hey, that's my usual time, 32.71 seconds. So I'm proud of that. Yeah, my goal is 30 or under. That's my goal. Then I'll just quit this video. So yeah. Anyways, let's see. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 38.35. I'm just gonna end this video here, guys. See you guys next time. Goodbye.